Hello viewers, I am Venkat Rao Gaddam, stock market technical analyst. So let us see what happened in all four major indices in terms of trading activities. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and Nifty IT. So today's date is 29th November 2022. So first let us start with Nifty 50. So the day chart, it indicates one shooting star kind of candle, and entire day it was above 18,600 mark. So now Nifty is maintaining 8,600 is one of the benchmark. Yesterday it was broken all-time high, but it didn't close above 18,600 mark. But today it was closed above 18,600 mark. So as per our level-based trading, today's range what we anticipated was 111 points, but today's range was, actual range was formed about 126 points. So today's low and high, if we see 18,678, so this is the second green touch point, and low was 18,552, and this is the yellow color zone, and two green color zones also formed, touch points executed. So total from 18,557 to 18,677, total 3 touch points and 2 levels executed. So 18,557 to 614, 614 to 671. So total more than 100 points we can encash it. So at least if we start from 18,614 to 18,671, at least we may get 57 points in Nifty today. If we see second index, Bank Nifty also, it indicates one shooting star kind of candle. And if we observe last 4 days trading, it was in a tight consolidation zone. And first 2 candles, if we observe, there is a bearish pattern called dark cloud cover. So Thursday and Friday's candles are indicating that dark cloud cover, and Thursday, Friday and Monday's candles, if we see, there is a evening star candle, evening star pattern, and today's pattern, what it indicates, that shooting star. So from last 4 days, we are observing that 3 bearish patterns are formed in uptrend. So whatever high we have seen on that dark cloud candle or Friday's candle, that was the high about 43,350 level. So if Nifty wants to move upside further, so at least half an hour it should maintain that level 43,350 level. Otherwise Nifty may see some profit booking kind of thing till 42,000 we can expect. And today's level based trading, what we anticipated about range was 247 points range, but actually we got 320 points range. And in terms of high and low, high was 43,279, 43,279, that means the second green color touch point, and low was 42,959, 43,959. And here also what has happened in Nifty, total 3 touch points. Here also same 3 touch points, 1 yellow color touch point and 2 green color touch points. So total, if we observe from 43,020 to 139, about 120 points, from here another 100 points, total 240 points we can encash it, and today's actual range was 320 points. So here if we exclude the first range, so at least from 43,140 to 258, there are about 120 points we can encash it in Bank Nifty today. Here already 57 points in Nifty as per our level based trading. And here also if we observe, whatever targets we have mentioned for Nifty was 18,674 upper side. So today's high was 18,678, and Bank Nifty high was about 43,279 and we anticipated 43,267 was the high. So total Nifty and Bank Nifty two targets also achieved on higher side, and one yellow zone and two green zone points also executed both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Fin Nifty also exactly mirror image to Bank Nifty. So last 4 days if we observe, first two candles pattern was dark cloud cover, and these three candles are showing evening star, and today's candle was shooting star. So if we see last 4 days patterns, so all are indicating downward direction only. So all are trend reversal patterns. So the continuation uptrend whatever we have seen from last 2 months, it may be a reversal for few days. So here also we can see what are the level based stuff what we have given. We anticipated about 120 points range in Fin Nifty, but the actual range formed was about 144 points. So today's high was 19,320. So this is the high point, and low was 19,176. So here also same thing. So all three major indices achieved one yellow color zone and two green color zones. 18,306 was the second touch point in green zone, and as per targets 19,320 exactly it was achieved 19,320. So 19,320 was one of the target what we anticipated in Fin Nifty. So all three indices 18,674 in Nifty, 43,267 in Bank Nifty and 19,320 in Fin Nifty. These are the targets in higher side. So all three major indices achieved targets as well as one yellow zone and two green color zones touch points also executed. So coming to IT also formed one bearish pattern called shooting star. Even yesterday also it was formed shooting star, and again today also shooting star. That means IT may be some resistance, huge resistance at 30,500 level. So even in IT also we may expect some downside. So all four major indices are indicating bearish patterns only. We may see some downward momentum from here onwards. So as per our IT level based trading, the actual range what we anticipated was about 328 points. So exactly today Nifty IT was formed about 330 points, and level based high was 30,558. So this was the high, and low was 30,228, and it didn't reach any red color zone. So here also 3 points, here also 3 points, here also 3 points, and here also 3 points. So all four major indices executed one yellow color zone and two green color zone values. And what we anticipated high was 30,638, but today's high was 30,558 in Nifty IT. So this is today's explanation or analysis about Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and IT. And if we see all four major indices, these are showing some downward momentum based on the pattern. All four major indices it is showing as shooting star patterns. So we may expect some downward momentum, and this is the data what it indicates short term, medium term and long term for all four major indices. So this is long term, and this is mid term, and this is short term. So 18,380 is the short term support for Nifty, and today's close was 18,618, and these are the green and red color zones for tomorrow on 30th November. And what we are anticipating 115 points for Nifty and 257 points for Bank Nifty range, and 124 points for Fin Nifty and 334 points range will be in Nifty IT. and all four major indices are very good in short term, long term and medium term, except IT. IT is showing resistance at 31,100 level. Now it is trading somewhere 30,295. So short term is weakened, short term trend is weakened for Nifty IT, but all three other major indices, short term, mid term and long term, all three are indicating in bullish side only. Only worrying factor, based on the closings, all short terms are very nearer to the support levels. So here 19,233 for Fin Nifty closing, and short term support is showing at 19,115. There are about 120 points distance for the short term support. So we will see already bearish patterns formed, and tomorrow if it closes below 19,115, so we may expect some short term bearish momentum. And here also in Bank Nifty, based on closing, so it was somewhere 43,050 level closed, and the support, short term support, it is showing 42,700 level. So there are about 250 points distance for short term support. So it is very small amount for Bank Nifty, 250 points. So tomorrow if it is closed below 42,683 level, definitely we may expect some short term weakness in Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and IT also. IT also closing 30,300 level, and today's support, what it is showing, 29,825 level. There are about 200 plus 300, about 500 points distance only for short term support for Fin Nifty IT as well. So all four major indices are very nearer to short term support levels. Suppose if it breaks and closes below that level, so definitely we may expect some short term bearishness in all four major indices. That's all about today's analysis. So we'll meet in tomorrow's session. Thank you so much.